Finally, I got another box in the post. You know, with all this New Year's things and stuff and postcards and so the postage got very backed up. So just let's have a look what's in here. I have a faint idea. Well, something says it looks like. Well, let's have a look. A motorbike. Cute. Nice. Yep. So let's open it. And see what's in it. Yeah, I just ordered this for fun, and it seems to be a very fast little motorbike, high speed. It's a little. What I've seen of it, it's a real racer. Nice, huh? Look at it. How do you get it out? Oh, we got some goodies at the bottom. That's a charger. And you get so used to unboxing a quad that you want to say, where are the blades? Yeah. Oh. No blades. Oh, it's a motorbike. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, how do we get it out? Yeah, we got a little remote. I should have gotten my wire cutters. Now I've got to untie it. Good gosh. These people are doing a very good job at packing. There we go. Got it loose. That's the remote. Tiny little remote. And it seems you can pop this off and put it on that side. So it's, it's all of nothing. Well, that's why the price was what it was. Now, how do we get this off? Unpacking is always great fun. So if I'm boring you, go and get a cup of coffee. Fight this thing till the very end. Yeah. Oh, there's some more over here. Good. Nice. Anyway. There. Now it's on this little stand. And now. Okay. Enough of that nonsense. Let me get my cutters. Because now there's 2 wires on this thing. So, okay. Got my little clippers. Where? Don't clip off your front tire. I'm not. Oh, are you sure? Yes. Okay. Well, you got to be careful. Okay. Let go. Jeez. Man. So I got it out of the box, finally. And there it is. About the size of my hand. Tiny little thing. It's got nice springs at the back, and it's got springs in front. It's got a changeable battery that you can open up at the side here. Little hatch. And there's the battery that you can take out. It's got a little plug. There's another model, and then that's got a built-in battery. So every time you have to charge it. So, this one you just can change the battery and then keep on driving. It's a bit fiddly, but RC hobby is all about fiddling. Cute, eh? Now, it's got a little stand for the back wheel. It's got a little stand, so you can pop it on the stand, and you can put it down wherever you want to. It's got a little on-off switch at the back here. Sadly, it doesn't have any lights. There's the other model that's got the built-in battery has the lights. So you switch it on, and you can see a little light blinking inside. And then you switch on the controller, and you can hear the gyros running. And there goes. Yeah. Steering is all or nothing. There goes the steering. It's all or nothing. I tried to run it around here, but it's a bit small. And if it loses control, it switches off after. I think you still have to run after it for quite a while. Okay, so that's about that. What else is there to talk about? I think it's nice. 21 bucks, 21 euros. And yes, the controller. Now, very interesting, the controller. It's got 2 speeds. So this is now the slow speed. You got a fast speed. You got a little trim over here. That's the trim button. It's forward, and you can brake. I don't know if it goes backwards. I haven't tried that yet, but it brakes. Then another interesting thing is you can take this off like that, get the little lid off on this side, and put this guy back. I suppose so. Anyway, yeah, so there you go. So now you've got a left-hand control. Yeah, but I do it with the right hand. I do everything with my right hand. Okay, enough of that nonsense. Okay, well, I mean, I write with my right hand, and I use the TV remote with my right hand, and yeah, all those kinds of things. It takes 2 AA batteries, 2 AA's, and yeah, I think it's very nice for 21 bucks. And if you want to, you can put an antenna on it. You know, you can put one of those longer antennas on it, get better range. And it's all of nothing. You can hear it clicking. Yeah, well, I'm quite happy with it. And I'll make a little video of me driving it in the gym. I will. Might even put a little FPV camera on top of it. Yeah, a little bit of EVP. Okay, enough of this nonsense. I'd say I think I'm going to like it. Yep. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.